So guys, we will tie the hairs on the back like this. Tie the hairs into each other and it's ready. Next we will tie the ponytail. Divide your hairs into two sections, rotate it and make the plaits out of one side. Roll it upward and your bun is ready. Next we will tie the hairs on the back like this. Rotate it, tie all the hairs, rotate it again and your hairstyle is ready. Next we will tie the ponytail, divide it into two sections, rotate the hairs like this. Now tie both of them together. Now again we will tie the hairs and rotate it like this. Follow the same step for one more time and it's done. Next we will tie the ponytail, divide it into three sections and rotate the hairs like this. Now we will fix it on the top. Now tie the leftover hairs on the top like this. Fix it and it's ready. Next we will take few sections of the hairs from the sides and tie it like this. Now rotate the hairs and fix it as we are doing. Tie them together on the back. Now again divide the hairs, rotate it and fix all the hairs into it and it's ready. Next we will tie the hairs on the back like this, divide it into two sections and fix them on the sides like this. Join them together, pull out the hairs from it and it's done. Next we will tie the plaits on the back like this. Now take few sections of the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Fix the hairs as shown and it's ready. Thanks for watching.